Welcome. We are following this book. This is our first chapter, Managerial Accounting and Overview. Today's lecture 1, Corporate Social Responsibilities. Corporate social responsibilities. We know that every corporation has some social responsibilities. So, here, corporate social responsibilities is a concept whereby organizations consider the needs of all stakeholders. That means all parties. The stakeholders we call they are the stakeholders. That means the customers, employees, suppliers, communities, and environmental and human rights advocates. They are the stakeholders. Okay, they are the stakeholders. Serve others stakeholders. They are the stakeholders. So when making decisions, so we call the CSR. That means corporate social responsibility is a concept whereby organizations consider the needs of all stakeholders when making decisions. That means when the corporation take any decisions, of course they will consider their needs. That means this party's needs. That means this stakeholders needs. Stakeholders here the customers, employees, suppliers, communities, environmental and human rights advocates. Okay. So CSR extends beyond legal compliance to include voluntary action that satisfy stakeholders' expectations. So here the stakeholders may be pleased by this voluntary action, the voluntary activities. So here companies are responsible for creating strategies that produce financial results that satisfy stakeholders. However, they also have a corporate social responsibility to serve other stakeholders. So here stakeholders and stakeholders. Stakeholders, these parties, customers, employees, suppliers, uh, communities, environmental and human rights advocates, and stakeholders. That means they are the owner of the company, owner of the corporation. Okay, so whose interests are tied to the company's performance. That's all. And just we have some examples of corporate social responsibility. So examples of social corporate responsibilities are as follows. So earlier we told about the customers, the suppliers, the suppliers, that means employees, the suppliers, the communities, the stockholders, that means the stockholders, and finally environmental and human rights advocates. So need these informations. The examples of corporate social responsibilities. Number one, here customers save high quality products that are fairly priced. Number two, here save and human working conditions. Number three, suppliers fair contract terms and promote payments. Number four, uh, communities, that means payments of fair taxes. Number four, stockholders, uh, competent management. Number six, environmental and human rights advocates, greenhouse gas emission data. So we have any other examples? You can see the examples. So that's all. Thank you so much. Our next lecture on managerial accounting and cost concept, chapter 2. Okay, we'll discuss on this chapter. This is also the mathematical chapters. Thank you so much.